alright?
Yeah, I'm good. It was just random. He just pulled up and just started pulling the trigger at me. All of a sudden, the bark.
Not on a call.
Not on a call. No, I was just sitting there trying to eat. I don't even know where my food went, and he just
pulls right up to you.
Yeah.
How close?
Right in front of my car. He looked at me, and then I looked at him, and he stopped it to my right, and he just pulled it out and started pulling the trigger. And I kind of ducked.
Oh. What the hell? Go ahead and secure that.
Yeah.
Scooter heading east, driving away, shooting what is believed to be a gun.
I think it's a CO2 gun. He's pulling the trigger.
1822, he's pointing the gun at me. He's behind a white pickup truck.
Behind white pickup truck.
10-4, staging medical, Franklin Eastern.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun and get on the ground! Drop the gun!
1866. Sounds like it's going to be a CO2 BB gun.
10-4, subject shooting what sounds to be a CO2 BB gun, heading eastbound.
1925. Were you guys being shot at, or is he shooting it in the air? 1925. He just crashed.
He just ran into a car. He just ran into a car.
Yeah, I didn't realize. Ooh, I did not know that was plastic. Yeah, he was stopped and he just plowed straight into it. He didn't even try and turn. He just ran straight into that car. Yep.
Yeah, he was probably trying to suicide by cop.
Yeah. Yeah, so he kept yelling at me too, shoot me, when he pointed the gun at me.
Welcome to a Sunday morning.
Yeah.
So bizarre.
Bizarre for a Sunday morning, right? I was thinking this is not the right time of day, not right day. It just
Not at all.
feels off.
Has he said anything?
No, I mean other than answering questions.
Oh.
Day hurts.
He speaks English?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You alright?
Yeah, it was just weird.
What, were you on a call, or what was the...
And I was eating at Joe Taylor, and then he drove past me and looked at me. I just looked at him, and he stopped it just to my right of my car. He pulled it out, started pulling the trigger, so I kind of like ducked and drove out the way.
Okay.
And that's when I called it out. So
Okay.
I don't know what the hell's wrong with him.
Okay. Alright. You're good?
Yeah.
Alright.